侬听讲过九子运动伐？
九子运动是动员为农村张开了温暖为农村在守护
了。海纳百川如万象，佳言真诚亦风华。观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看本期《佳话上海》，我是主持人佳怡。Today, our program will take you back to the nostalgic and memorable Shanghai Alley, and together we will explore the game that carries countless childhood joys for many people, called Jiuzigame. Recently, in an effort to promote traditional culture and encourage fitness for all, various districts in Shanghai have successfully responded by hosting Jiuzigame competitions with local characteristics. From Jiuzigame Park in Huangpu District to community culture centers in Putuo District and the Jiuzigame Folk Sports Festival in Jinshan District, the city is alive with the atmosphere of competition and laughter. Many residents who might not have known each other before came together to participate in the Jiuzigame. They share tips and strategies, working together to rediscover their childhood top-level skills.
让我们回忆起小时候。本身就是我们上海弄堂文化的一个部分，能坚持下来真的不容易。
In this grand celebration of alley culture, many foreign friends were also drawn in, captivated by the unique cultural charm, and eagerly participated.
Take a part in Chong Chua, that is the very famous in our country, Pakistan.
These activities not only allowed participants to relive the joy of childhood, but also allowed many onlookers to experience Shanghai's alley culture. Residents expressed that participating in the Jiuzigame not only exercised their bodies, but also enhanced emotional communication between people. It also allowed many office workers to put down their phones and get out of their homes during their free time, to learn about and fall in love with these games and have Shanghai city culture. Through the promotion and competition of the Jiuzigame, citizens of different ages and levels can participate in it, and the relationship between community neighbors has become closer and more harmonious due to their common participation. Dear viewer friends, thank you for accompanying us to reminisce the wonderful time of Shanghai Alley Games. We also look forward to the Jiuzigame, leading the previous Alley Games to a new vitality in the new era, promoting tradition while also leading new trends, connecting citizens, and continuing to spread joy and bonds. We're coming to the end of today's Glorious Tales of Shanghai. Goodbye.